World leaders are often seen as powerful figures who influence the course of history. But did you know that behind the suits and speeches, they have unique personalities, surprising talents, and fascinating stories? Today, we are diving into the lives of the world's most famous leaders. And trust me, you will not believe some of these facts. From martial art to humble beginnings, let's uncover the surprising facts about Vladimir Putin, Narendra Modi, Joe Biden, Angela Merkel, and Barack Obama. When we think of Vladimir Putin, we often imagine a powerful politician. But did you know he is also a skilled martial artist? Putin holds a black belt in judo. In fact, he is so passionate about judo that he co-authored a book about it. It's not all tough and serious. Though Putin is a big animal lover too. He has been photographed with his dog and had a pet tiger once. As strange as it may sound, these hobbies show a different side to a leader who often portray as a strong and stoic. Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India, is known for his bold leadership, but few know about his humble beginnings. Before entering politics, Modi worked as a tea seller in a small town. He sold tea at railway station and it's a part of his life he proudly talk about. Modi's rise from a modest background to lead the world's largest democracy is truly inspiring story. What's more interesting, Modi is a master of social media, using it to connect with millions of people around the world. He has even made it a tool for diplomacy. Joe Biden's journey is becoming the 46th President of the United States is nothing short of extraordinary. What many don't know is the personal hardship he faced. He tragically lost his first wife and daughter in a car accident when he was young. Later in life, he survived a life-threatening brain aneurysm. Yet, despite these setbacks, Biden's resilience and drive to serve his country have only grown stronger. He has been in politics for decades, and his sense of humor and deep empathy make him a unique figure on the global stage. Angela Merkel, the first female chancellor of Germany, has earned respect around the world for her leadership. But did you know that before becoming a politician, Merkel was a trained physicist? She has a doctorate in quantum chemistry and worked as a scientist before turning to politics. Known for her calm and methodical approach, she often described as a programmatic leader. And here's something fun. Merkel loved cooking. Her favorite dish, a simple potato soup, which she prepared herself when she need some downtime. Talk about a down-to-earth leader. Barack Obama made history in 2008 by becoming the first African American president of the United States. But there is more to this man than just politics. Did you know he is a Grammy winner? Obama won 2 Grammy Awards for his audiobook recording. He has also an avid basketball fan, so much so that he often played pickup games with friends and even some professional player during his presidency. And despite his tough political life, Obama is known for his calm demeanor and deep intellectual curiosity and ability to connect with people. Are far more than their public personas, whether they are martial art expert, humble tea seller, or science-loving chefs. These fascinating figures have lived remarkable lives. Which fact about these leaders surprise you the most? Share your thought in the comment below. If you enjoy this look into the lives of world leaders, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing stories from history.